35 big points, 23 rebounds, 12 blocks. I have no words. Grabe, 13 years old ka pala, tama?
That's set at number 2, Sam Esomchi.
Here it is again. Look at that pass. A la Jason Kidd. España to his ball picked up. Stat sheet right now with another block. Meanwhile, Gala, there's his
Anymore. Game doing the talking.
blocks. Oh, 10 blocks. That triple. Take a look at these blocks by Sam. That's his 9th. And this is his 10th block of the game. Completing that step and the scoop. Sam against 5. Santos holding down the 4th for Batangas, and here he is going coast to coast. It was about to shout denied, but the referees blew their whistle.
Grabe! 13 years old Sam Esomchi nagkalimaw sa Junior MPBL na may rare stats na 25 points, 23 rebounds at 12 blocks. Don't poke the bear! Lang nag-beast mode nung simula nung inasar siya.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo!
That's set at number 2, Sam Esomchi.
Energetic indeed. Oh, Esomchi just jumping over the Araneta. Oh, ahead there. Poor transition. Defense, pero apparently not. Good play. However, the shot was too strong.
Coach Damindoro, the Sena Foundation squad, and now he's moving over to Batangas to see Sam Esomchi finally getting to start the scoring. The window.
Confirm it. You just don't think it. It is true. Generational gap.
This is the 14 and under, and we won't even qualify for.
Takbuhan pa rin. Ball picked up. Ball picked up, but rejected by Esomchi. Yaji, there, ang dali naman pala ni Yaji. Yaji, as he got that steal from behind kanina. Meanwhile, Esomchi, man amongst the boys underneath.
Na nga sa akin, gusto niya kasi every season, meron daw talaga siyang lineup na win. Since for him, it actually brings luck or charm para sa kapanan niya. Pero tignan natin, kung hanggang ngayon, madadala ang swerte na yan para sa kapanan niya. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much for that very interesting report, Daphne.
Junior MPBL.
I'm sure, yes, we will. Talking about building entertaining teams. Yun lang, ito lang si midcourt by Sam Esomchi. Meanwhile, Asnar open for 3 offline. Esomchi will get it, and he'll be fouled. Panang Chris Jacobs collection. Kaya lang, yung rest of battle, tinakbo na yan.
Let's go back to the ball game. Sam Esomchi
Right.
so far in this ball game already with
Opportunities to find their stats themselves, pero that time, Sam
probably wouldn't even remember.
and there he is again off that beautiful feed by España. And here it is again. Look at that pass a la Jason Kidd. España to Esomchi, and Esomchi gets the bucket. Coach Melo. Sinisignal mo na si Coach Melo?
Wala kasi yung signal. Pero yung signal there was another defensive rebound for Sam Esomchi.
Esomchi has been stuffing the stat sheet right now with another block there by Sam. There's a Pinoy step and the scoop. Sam against 5. Hindi one.
2 rebounds away from a double-double.
He got the offensive rebound, man amongst boys. Pero look at this guy. Look at this young gentleman right there. Taga 14 pa lang eh. And will the Baraquitos complete the steal? Yes, they do. Oh, that was, again, baliktad na peg to Santos holding down the 4th for Batangas. And here he is going coast to coast. I was about to shout denied, but the referees blew their whistle. And as we take a look at it again, Esomchi, apparently there was body. This young gentleman right here has a face of a 14-year-old, but did you see his hands, partner? Titos.
Sometimes I'm wondering some people just don't know how to accept completing some scoring punch for Coach Eugene Ocampo.
Sorry, missed there by Halyak, but a foul counted play brought you. Jumper from the elbow, wala, but Sam is once again there for the rebound and a holding foul called. So this is just a 7-point lead, partner, 46-39. It once stood at 20-24.
Right in the middle of the floor, Sam Isomchi with another basket.
Oh, Sam just pulled the chair. Matos gets the offensive rebound. Gala, the jumper, no. And De Los Santos is there, but De Los Santos streaking to the front court, dropping it off. Villapando, oh, called for the travel. However, and there's the bump line with just a 8-point lead right now. Zigzagging his way, Gala, pero may nakahuli na naman sa taas. And Hisner, Zaraspe going right, finding Villapando, driving hard to the baseline, but yeah, clearly.
Pass.
Meanwhile, De Los Santos driving hard against Sam. Sam picks it up, but leaves the ball behind, and there's De Los Santos behind the back, trying to go against Isomchi, and the eventual denial upstairs. However, ball stays with, oh, look at these Barajitos fighting for the ball, but Isomchi says enough. Isomchi ba ang apelido niya or Motombo? Meanwhile, Gala, there's his 8th block. Wow, Sam going all the way and almost Sam, and then Halyak just came out of nowhere to block his shot. Talk about team effort by these Las Piñas kids, and there he is again. His 25th point.
Like how he doesn't need to flex anymore. His game doing the talking. That's now 9 erasures coming from the big man in the middle.
Somebody needs to tell the coaching staff of Las Piñas that Sam only needs 1 block for that elusive, rare triple-double. Rebounds that go along with 9 blocks. Oh, 10 blocks! The triple-double is real for Sam Isomchi. Take a look at these blocks by Sam. That's his 9th. And this is his 10th block of the game, completing that very rare.
Very much in the ball game are the Batangas Baraquitos.
Gala tries again, misses that time, and that's the 11th block by Aznar. Samantala Cuevas, oh, misses that time. And Sam, oh, he loses that rebound, but did he get his 11th block? He
Points 9 out of 12 from the field, 7 out of 13 from the free throw line.
Player of the game. Congratulations to you and your team. You scored a triple-double performance, 25 big points, 23 rebounds, 12 blocks. I have no words. Grabe, 13 years old ka pa lang, tama? Tapos grabe na yung pinapakita mo and first time mo dito sa Junior MPBL. Pero balikan muna natin yung nangyari on this game. Lahat ng emotions na pwede nyo ma-feel, naramdaman nyo. Kinabahan kayo, na-pressure kayo. Ikaw, medyo pinipressure ka, nakikirata ka na rin. Pero nung final few seconds ng larong ito, paano mo hinandle yung pressure, Sam?
Just like what Luka does po, pag inaasar po siya ng fans, doon lang po sumasabog. Don't poke the bear.
Grabe. Parang hindi 13 years old nung kasama ko.
You don't like NBA basketball!